Magufuli Bridge in Mwanza is one of the most significant infrastructure projects completed in Tanzania. Named after Tanzania's late President John Pombe Magufuli, the bridge spans Lake Victoria, connecting the bustling city of Mwanza to neighboring regions. In this video, we will see in-depth review covering its design, economic impact, and public reception. We will start with overview and specifications. The location of the bridge is Mwanza, Tanzania, crossing Lake Victoria. The length of the bridge is 3.2 kilometers, the longest in East Africa. The type of the bridge is cable stayed bridge with a modern design. The construction period, it started in 2018 and completed in 2025. The delays were due to COVID-19. The cost is estimated to be around $260 million, funded by Tanzanian government and loans from international partners. The capacity of the bridge is designed for heavy vehicular traffic, pedestrians, and cyclists. The multi-billion shilling project is implemented by China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation and China Railway 15 Bureau Group Corporation. The project has generated 1,058 jobs, with 966 being local positions, providing valuable construction skills. Now let's look at the engineering and the design of the bridge. Let's look at the structural integrity of the bridge. The bridge uses pre-stressed concrete and steel cables, ensuring durability against strong winds and water currents. The bridge's sleek, modern design incorporates lighting systems that illuminate the bridge at night, making it a landmark. The bridge is equipped with guardrails, emergency lanes, and surveillance cameras. Built to minimize disruption to Lake Victoria ecosystem with measures to reduce pollution during construction. The bridge has various economic impacts. For example, in trade and transportation, the bridge has reduced travel time between Mwanza and neighboring regions, previously reliant on ferries. The bridge boosts cross-border trade with Uganda, Rwanda, and Burundi by improving the Central Corridor route. In tourism and business, the bridge enhances accessibility to Mwanza, a key tourism and commercial hub. It also attracts investors due to improved logistics. Also, during construction, the bridge created thousands of jobs. In social and urban development, the bridge has improved connectivity. It links previously isolated communities, improving access to healthcare, education, and markets. The bridge also led to urban expansion, encourages growth in Mwanza's outskirts due to better transport links. The bridge also reduced ferry congestion. The bridge alleviates pressure on the aging ferry system, which was often overcrowded and unreliable. This review will be incomplete if we don't look at public reception and legacy. The bridge in Tanzania is seen as the national pride. The bridge is a symbol of Tanzania's progress. The bridge is becoming a scenic spot for photography and city views. The bridge is often compared with other bridges in Tanzania, for example, Kigongo Bridge and Tanzanian Bridge, both in Dar es Salaam. However, Magufuli Bridge is longer and serves the more strategic trade route. The future prospects of Magufuli Bridge is the bridge is expected to increase regional trade by volume of 15 to 20 in the next decade. It also has a potential to spur a new industrial zone near Mwanza, and also plans for additional connecting roads to maximize its utility. To conclude, Magufuli Bridge is a transformative project for Tanzania and East Africa, significantly boosting trade, transport, and urban development. So there you have it, the in-depth review of Magufuli Bridge, the longest bridge in East Africa. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, share and subscribe to The Boss TV. Thank you for watching and see you next time, my friend. Until then, as always, bye bye.